Good morning, everyone. So today I just have a little haul. Actually, it's just an auto ship from HSN. It's a diamond press auto ship, so maybe we'll work with it, see how the morning goes, because again, my morning gets a little crazy getting videos ready for the weekend, things like that. But I will have links for those items in the description box. Also, these here, those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. The reason these things are set out is because I put them out yesterday, and I received them on the 30th, and I was like, these are the Spellbinders Wax Seal Club and the Better Press Plate Club, and I'm like, do I edit my video that I already put out, or, that I already uploaded, and try to splice this in so that everyone has, a view of everything that Spellbinders put out this month, including these new clubs. And I decided not to, so I did a quick short video for you guys, but definitely keep an eye out. I'll have a whole video, of course, for the Better Press of the month. It's an A2 size, really lovely, and then it has separate the Merry Christmas. So I'll put this video out probably closer to the 5th. That way, if people want to sign up, brand new people to sign up, they can do that. If you're already a club member, you should be able to add it if it's something that you're interested in. But I'll have them all linked in the description box, and you can check that out. And then the wax seal, which I think is so pretty. I love the oval shape. If you guys recall in this last Sealed by Spellbinders, the summer collection, they had a trio of wax seals, and what I love is that they were different shapes, and there's a circle, an oval, and the square, and the oval is just so pretty, just something different. I love the way it just says joy, and it comes with classic crimson beads, wax beads, which I used recently in one of my videos. So we have those. I just want to show them to you like in real life again. Like I said, I'm going to put out my video intentionally closer to the 5th, okay? So, this diamond press, let's open this up. The box is huge, and that's why I was like, well, what is this? And so I looked on the original video, and it should be like a tag set. It's the nesting, Celebrations nesting. And they called it nesting, even though it doesn't nest so much. The different items that come with this, that came with like the original one, the last one was the summertime one. They have square like sentiments, and that's what nests. But the items themselves, the dies themselves, are very different. The first one made like the little pizza box kind of thing. I think that's what it was. And then the last one just made like card fronts. I don't really remember the slimline. And then this one makes tags. So we have these tag shapes, super cute. It's not available yet on HSN. Clearly it just came out as auto ship. So I might just run through and make one real quick, and then I'll make another video when it is available on HSN. I know right now the summertime one is now available that I showed you guys last time. And yeah, it's just called Nesting Tags Handmade Gifts Kit. So again, this is like the new auto ship that comes with all the fun stuff. The last one was the ultimate card making auto ship that came with like 4 pockets and labels and all kinds of good stuff, right? So we have this, so cute. I love the shape of the tags, a couple different shapes, and then you can pop in the nesting words or nesting dies that again go back to the summer one, that go back to the celebrations one. So all those squares you can mix and match. A gift for you, to and from. Made with love. That is really cute. Oh my gosh, I love this, the macaron. This one has, you can use the stencils to like stencil enjoy or thanks or for you, 100% handcrafted is what that one says. And then the enjoy when they finished off with a couple different things. And die cut tags, use stamps and design on tags. And then it comes with some little images and dies, of course. And the stencils. So we have a triangle stencil, a heart daisy, diagonal stripe, and floral burst, and they look like slimline stencils. So again, they do come with one, envelope. So basically, you put everything in this one pocket. The pockets are available on HSN just for pickup, for purchase. I believe the boxes are still available. Also, it is the stripe design though. So what you normally do with these, you can just write on it. I just use my label maker and I type out, whatever part of this, like handmade gifts nesting auto ship, or AS, and then I slide it in there, and then I keep them all together, all the auto ships, so that when I want to use them, I can mix and match them real easy because they're together in one of my storage boxes. These are the stencils. My voice sounds like I've been at a concert or something. I have not. I've not been doing anything. There you go. Really pretty. And again, the area that this one stencils, let's say, they might be a little bit different, but they look about the same. It's like 8 3/4 by 3 3/4. So, it has that stripe. Beautiful. Love that. I love that it's a little heart flower like it says there. And then this triangle. A little more tribal. And then the for you, 100%. And then, like I said, you use the stamps to finish it off. Enjoy and thanks. And then the cute images here. Again, the macaron, some cookies. It looks like some sandwich cookies, maybe. Cute. A little cookie that's like decorated. Also looks like a sandwich cookie. And then we have some stripes, some dotting, like they showed you can decorate with. To and from with the lines. So that's nice. Happy birthday, baked with, and it has a little heart like trim from the kitchen of. I hope you love it. A little something for you, handmade, homemade, handcrafted swirls. Of course, the folder for the marquee, and then your tags. So maybe I'll cut out both tags just so you have an idea of what they look like. They're 4 inches tall and roughly 2 7/8 inches wide as far as the tag itself. So yeah, I'll just run these through, do a little something. I'll be right back. Just do a quick little couple dies that are just inlays. And I just grabbed some really bright papers, and then I had seen this. I thought, oh, that might work if I did like a background. Oh, this is the die and press paper. Maybe from the party collection? Birthday collection? I can't remember exactly. Let's see here. So we'll use both of these guys, of course. Oh. And then we have a gift for you. Let's go ahead and do that one. And I like Made with Love, but the colors I have here don't really go with that too much. So let's say this one. This one says to and from, and since it says to and from and you're supposed to write, what I'm going to do is nest that in here. Make sure it's facing the right way. Don't want that upside down. I suppose, you know, it's cute actually. If you want your tag to be sideways, you can also turn this sideways and have the to and from going that way, right? That's cute, something different. But I'll just go ahead and put it like this. And then using the scrappiest pieces of tape, clearly, I'll just trim this down, run that through. And then I'll also run through just the green. And usually whenever I do something like this, I'll run the basic one through first, because that way I don't have to clean it out and then run the other one through. But basically it's going to fall out anyway, so we'll do that in just a minute. And then like this one, I'll use this, cut that guy out. But let's do this one with this one. A gift for you. And then when it comes to the site, I will just come back with another video, you know, using the stencils, maybe some of the stamps and things like that. So I hope you're all doing well. It's finally getting hot out here. And what I mean hot is like 80 degrees, but it just feels gross. You know, we can't catch a break here. I'm like, oh, this is too cold, and you know, it's a little too sunny. Alright, let's see here. So again, just using a folder I've used many, many times. I'm just going to run that through. Of course, it comes with a nice clean folder. I don't usually bother with like, it has to be a brand new folder to do this, unless it's like a really big die. Sometimes you're better off if your folder isn't warped at all. But, I don't know. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, hold on. Let's just take this off. I feel like it's sticking. There we go. So these are the pieces that fall out, obviously. You can paper piece them back in. We have a gift for you. That is so cute. And then the next one I run through will be just the paper. Where did I put it? Just this one. Now, it will be in the back, and honestly, you won't see it, but you probably, you know, depends on how you use it. Are you using it on a card or actually as a gift tag? So I will still run it through. And then I'll do the same for the other one. I'm just showing you this one in total. Look how cute. And then we just glue it together. Okay, so I'm gonna run this one through, and then I'm gonna run just the outside through the green paper, and I'll be right back. So again, the tags, I mean, they're a cute shape, a really nice thing to always have, right? Tag shapes, we love them. What I was gonna say is this is what that tag does. It does a little stitching, and the tag, obviously. And then this one, just a basic tag without any inlays, does this. So it does a little stitching around the edge and nothing in the center. Really cute. I think this one probably a little more universal for using. And then I'm going to glue these down. So the reason I chose this, just the plain color, is that way when you write to and from, you can actually write the person's name and they can see it, instead of having like the busyness of the pattern in the background. So let's go ahead and glue this guy down. Again, this is kind of a wet glue with the Impress. I don't put like a ton of glue, but enough to do the job. We really want those letters to stick down. They're pretty delicate. This is the fine tip. I think that's good. And just pop that on there. Ooh. Yeah, sometimes when you're just sitting here and your ears kind of, I don't know if it's they pop, but all of a sudden you hear like a hee kind of sound. That's what's going on right now in my ears. Okay. So interesting that this one was slightly longer. Again, it's a die. You run it through the machine puts pressure. It might not have been in the same spot the last one, but that's not bad. And if it bothers you, I would just take it to my trimmer and cut it off right just a little bit. But I will leave that, yeah, because it's perfectly lined up here. All right, I'm gonna glue this one together the same way. Glue all around the edges on the lettering, and I'll be right back. I thought, oh, you silly girl. You can easily, super easily make these into shakers. Just, you know, use your outer shape. Run it through some acetate, or even just a little square of acetate that fits behind the area that you cut out, and shaker it up. Really easy. So maybe I'll do that in the next video. Super easily. Okay, and you can see I got a little glue that squeezed out, and all I did was pat it with my finger, and I'm telling you, it dries clear. Like, you won't even see it clear matte, not clear shiny, so that you still see like, oh, there's glue all over. No, it just is like it wasn't there. So I'm really impressed with that. But this one fit perfectly. Very interesting. All right, guys, well, there's a couple tags. Look how cute and just like festive, just with the paper, really, right? That really made it pop, but very, very cute. Nice size, great for cards. I mean, just have your little tags. You can stamp whatever you have in your arsenal and then cut them out with those nice tag shapes, but hopefully they'll bring it to the site soon. Like I said, they do have the summer one. I'll link that in the description box. I'll link the Spellbinders clubs in the description box also. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick one this morning, and I'll have images coming up and links in the description box, and ooh, you can finish off with a little twine. Very cute. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.